They don't realise actors are very emotional people. That's why they get into acting.
Emotional people. All that creativity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got to come out somehow.
It's got to come out somewhere.
People fart, actors cry. That's how it works.
Yeah. Because, like, to me, acting is playing, right? And I've always loved to play. I'm a real kid, and I figured that, you know, if someone's going to pay me to keep playing, then sound like a pretty good job.
Because I remember you at drama school. Yes. You were Lady Macbeth.
I was Lady Macbeth.
In your second year.
In my second year.
And I remember...
I'm putting on that voice, aren't
yes,
I?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Do you reckon I was the first ever Fijian Lady Macbeth?
I was just going to ask that.
Yeah, I bet you I was.
I can't recall any other Fijian actress playing such a huge role as Lady Macbeth.
I agree.
So there you are.
Totes.
You created history.
I'm taking a bow.
There you go.
Does everyone know that you were at drama school with me, Henry?
No.
Ah,
you just let the cat out of the bag there.
Yeah, Henry's really an actor. You have to have your driver's license. Never lie about your shoe size.
Did you lie on your application form when you went to audition?
I did. It was my second job ever, which was on Xena, playing Shalapa.
They didn't have cars back then. You were just a horse.
I know, and I lied about riding a horse too. I said I could, and I couldn't.
The fact that Chris O'Donnell went, ooh, I like that Spanish.
No, he didn't do it. He didn't say that about me.
Really?
No, in fact, he was quite rude.
Tell us this story. Did you go up to him and say hi? And
I was a little bit sick, and it could have been that he just didn't want to really speak to me because I was a little bit fluey. But I was all like, "Yo, what's up?" You know, Robin. Because remember, he was Robin.
Well, yeah. George Clooney as Batman. Yes.
Yeah. And he kind of just looked at me and kept walking.
Oh.
Yeah, it was a bit shame. Anyway, who is he? Does anyone know who he is anymore? Where is he?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Oh yeah, Randy. You gotta understand, girl, that my heart is in your hands. Yeah! And I'm cautious of falling in love again.
So please, don't hurt me. I'm scared. Don't desert me. I am afraid of being fooled again.
I need a moment. Woo. Yeah, baby. I'm yours. Say if you want me. And if you want my sweet love, I'm ready. Baby, I'm yours if you need me. La la la.
Loving you forever. If you want me, give me your love. Baby, I'm yours if you need me.
Oh, it's getting hot in here.
I have to handle if you hurt me one more time. Please, buy mine.
Yeah.
Buy mine.
Typo. See, there are a lot of guys right now going, keep her talking.
Really?
Don't stop. It was Ivana's fault. Too much hump a lot. People get confused. Live it up, you got Niu FM. Don't look at me like that, Nicole.